In this video, I'm going to show you how you can merge two different PDFs into one PDF file. So here I've got PDF number 1, which is a make money PDF. So this is talking about making money while you sleep, and it is 23 pages. And then PDF number 2 is also a make money PDF, but this is 131 pages. And we're going to combine both of these PDFs. Now you can do this for any two PDFs, so let me show you what you need to do. So first go ahead and open up a web browser. So I've opened up Google Chrome and I'm going to then search for small PDF. Now there are many websites that you can merge PDFs, but I just use this one. So go ahead and click on the first one, small PDF. From here you then want to go to merge at the top, and then it will bring you to merge PDF window, where you can then choose your files or drag your files onto this window. I'm going to click choose files, and then here are my two PDF files on the desktop, which I can then open. So here are our two files, and we can change the order of this if we wanted to, but we're just going to keep this 131 page PDF at the start and this one at the second place. Then we can go and click on finish, and it's then going to create that document, and it's done that in seconds. So now we can go ahead and download this. It's 154 pages. It's merged all of them together. So now if we open this new PDF, we've got the first Make Money Online PDF, and then if we scroll all the way down, we should then have the other one starting soon. So here's where the other one starts, look. And this PDF's got terrible formatting, but then the other one starts. So that's how you can combine both PDF files. It's a very quick and simple solution. I hope that helps you out.